guys, it's Dino Dan, man. Check out this mini PC from Ace Magic, right? So they went ahead and sent me one of these, right? And I was very anxious to get it. I've been wanting a mini PC, and when it showed up and I opened up this box, I was even more impressed, I tell you. I love that smell of this. I don't even know what the smell is. It's like the smell of performance, I tell you. And you get a whiff of that as soon as you open up this box. You see that Intel sticker right there? This has that latest Intel processor inside. If you know anything about mini computers, you know the N100 is common. Well, let me tell you here, the N150 is here, and I hooked it up, and I tested it, and I pushed it to the limits, I tell you. So that's what I was trying to do, right? So I went and I installed Chrome, and I opened up YouTube, and I played a 4K video. I opened up a second one, I opened up a third one, and I opened up the fourth one, right? And on that fourth tab, I opened it up, and you know what that was? That was Daniel Tiger coming through, right? I had that game going because that's what my toddler likes. So I said, okay, this is running up the system. This is running up the bill. You know what I mean? So I said, we're not going to stop right here. I installed Canva. I opened up Canva. I got some graphics in there. I got some video motions. I got some things flowing. You know what I mean? So that stuff's going as well, along with the Chrome browser, right? And I said, let's push it even more. I tell you, let's install some video editing software. When I started to install the software, I had to stop. I was kind of pushing the limits too much, and I didn't want to overdo it, and I wanted the software to install correctly. So I closed Chrome, and half of the RAM just went back to normal, right? You see that CPU? It has that core base, right? And it can go all the way up to 3.6 gigahertz. So this is going to expand and expand with what you're doing on this computer. So that's fantastic. If you're doing a little bit of browsing or whatnot, you're not gonna be eating up that CPU, right? But once you start editing some videos, it's gonna kick in. Once you start opening up those 4K tabs, it's gonna kick in. And this is great. And it's not backing down, it's not stuttering, it's not doing none of that stuff. And it also got the dual 4K resolution output. On this little thing, it does. It got everything in it. It got the Bluetooth, it got the Wi-Fi, it got the Ethernet, it got the HDMI, it got the DP, it got it all. I tell you, this is fantastic. You got the 3.0 USB in the back and the 3.2 blue ones in the front. That is great. And if you don't know what that means, right, you're gonna hook up your keyboard and your mouse and that kind of stuff to the 3.0s in the back, right? And these blue ones here, you're gonna save for, I don't know, your USB sticks, your external hard drives, and whatever that you're gonna need that faster speed with, right? So I wanted to see how good this little mini PC would do with some video editing, right? So I know a lot of content creators and they do a lot of stuff on their phones, and I'm always trying to get them to move the PC. So this is gonna be a uppercut right here to show the cause, if you know what I mean, because this thing was fantastic. I loaded up some free video editing software, right? And I opened it up, I recorded some video, and I threw it in, and I didn't even have no speakers on or nothing, right? But I cut up some of the video, I cut up some of the B-reel, I threw it in, I threw a little export, import things, you know what I mean? I did a little transactions here and a little transmissions here. I did all that good stuff in this video editing software, and then I exported it, right? And it turned out great. If you're looking for some joy in a package when you open it up, go on and get you one of this. You're gonna open it up, you're gonna smell that performance, you're gonna slap it on some 4K resolution monitors, and you're gonna go full force, right? This is not gonna be obsolete. Windows 11 Pro, every feature you can think of is already packed inside this small little thing here. So this is fantastic. I am super impressed by this. Ace Magic is it.